In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter data with visibility conditions in Glide. Visibility conditions allow you to control which users can see certain data or screens, ensuring that sensitive information is only accessible to the right people. For example, you may want each user to see only their own profile, while restricting access to other employees' data. The first step is to create roles. Open your app's data table for users or employees and list their roles clearly, such as admin, manager, or employee. Once roles are assigned in a dedicated column, navigate to the Layout section of your app, click on the User Profile component from the left-hand menu, and ensure the correct data source is selected. Then, under the Role drop-down menu, select the column that contains the role information. This will ensure that each user has a role properly assigned to their profile. Next, navigate to the screen or component where you want to apply the visibility condition. On the right-hand side menu, locate the Options section and click Add Condition under the visibility settings. In the first drop-down, hover over User Profile and then select Role. Set the condition to Is and type in the first role you want to allow, such as admin. If you want multiple roles to view the same screen, add another condition and use OR to include additional roles, for example, manager. This setup ensures that the screen is visible only to users with the selected roles. You can preview the screen from different perspectives. When viewing as an admin or manager, the screen will be visible, but if you try to see the same screen with an employee's view, you won't be able to see it. This method allows you to filter out data based on any user attributes, giving you precise control over what content is displayed to whom. Visibility conditions can be applied to any component, page, or screen in your app, making your Glide apps secure and user-specific. And this is how you can filter data with visibility conditions in Glide.